Welcome to this video on the fundamentals of grounding transformer systems. We will explore how these essential components help protect power systems, control fault currents, and allow us to engineer artificial neutrals for improved reliability. Ungrounded power systems pose a significant threat. Without a neutral reference, a single line-to-ground fault can cause severe transient overvoltages, which can rapidly destroy critical equipment insulation. The solution is an artificial neutral created by a grounding transformer. This provides a stable neutral point, a safe return path for fault currents, and enables protective relays to detect and isolate hidden faults while stabilizing system voltage. Under normal conditions, three-phase currents are balanced, and their vector sum is zero. A ground fault breaks this balance, creating zero-sequence current, which the grounding transformer effectively absorbs to manage the fault safely. It is important to distinguish between grounding and isolation transformers. While grounding transformers create a neutral reference and provide a controlled path, isolation transformers are designed to electrically separate circuits for different purposes. Common topologies include the zig-zag transformer, known for its efficient core usage without a secondary winding, and configurations using single-phase distribution transformers with a loading resistor, often ideal for generator grounding. In a zig-zag configuration, each phase features two identical windings wrapped in opposite directions. This arrangement blocks normal phase currents but offers very low impedance to zero-sequence fault currents. Neutral grounding resistors, or NGRs, are vital for limiting fault current to a specific range, such as 2 to 12 amps. This restriction is crucial for preventing severe mechanical stress on the system during a fault. To protect the grounding transformer itself, we use 87G relay protection. By comparing neutral current to phase residual current, these relays can detect internal ground faults instantly, while directional elements ensure security against external faults. However, false trips remain a threat. For example, the Tennessee Valley Authority once experienced 11 erroneous trips. These were caused by human performance errors in relay settings and wiring during external system faults. The root cause of such errors is often incorrect current transformer polarity wiring. If the neutral CT polarity is reversed, the relay may misinterpret normal system behavior as an internal fault. Relays use directional supervision logic to make decisions. By comparing phase angles, the relay identifies internal faults if neutral current falls within a specific range, effectively ignoring external faults. Commissioning requires offline verification. The phantom ground test is a standard procedure where a low-voltage AC source is injected to safely simulate an external fault, allowing engineers to verify the protection scheme. In summary, the grounding transformer, neutral resistor, and differential relay form a unified ecosystem. Together, they create a stable neutral, limit physical damage, and provide intelligent protection for electrical system safety.